Morning all. Today we are going to see about the data warehouse architecture, that is the components of data warehouse. So let's see the components. Here we'll be having the data sourcing, cleanup, transformation and migration tool, and the second is about the metadata repository, and third is about the warehouse and the database technology. Fourth, data mart. Fifth, data querying, reporting, analyzing and the mining tool. Sixth, data warehouse administration and management. And finally, seventh, we'll be having the information delivery system. So these are all the 7 components which is followed in the data warehouse architecture. So let's see the introduction. As such, what is data warehouse? Data warehouse is an environment. It's not product, which is based on the relational database management system that functions as the central repository for the informational data. So the central repository information is surrounded by the number of key components, that is the above 7 components are designed to make the environment in functional, manageable and the accessible one. So this is the overall architecture. So first is about, we'll be having the external data set. From the external data set, it is not an structured, or it's a semi-structured, or it may be an unstructured data. So making that as an removing the noise and loading up the exact data, we will be using the ETL tool. Data to be load and data to be integrate, data to be clean, data to be transformed. Everything should be happen in the first one, that is the ETL tool. Next, second thing is all about the overall admin platform, that is the overall the data set, that is the database and data technology. So that's the second thing over here. And third is about the data warehouse DBMS. So here we'll be having all the data warehouse DBMS to put together, that is the metadata, that is large amount of data to be taken care. And the same as this, we'll be having multi-relational database and multi-dimensional database. So based on the particular firm that has been already inbuilt, so if the customer want their users to use very urgent, then they can utilize the already inbuilt framework. So that's what they have implemented in the metadata. So metadata that contains the overall repository to be taken care with the admin platform. So that repository is inside with the inbuilt form of MRDB and the MTTP. And third is about data warehouse DBMS. So based on the heterogeneous data type, how will be taken care, how the complex data are taken care with the relationship that has been formed over here. And the fourth one is all about the data mart. So here data mart in the sense will be having different things for the different people. So with the help of that, we'll be using that MRDB and MDTB. So how the different peoples and different things has been based on their area, different things, different peoples. So how will be given the data with the help of the inner metadata and the data warehouse DBMS. And the fifth one is all about the reporting and query tools. We'll be having in EIS tool, OLAP tool, data mining tool, and application. These are all called the application tools. So with the help of these application tools, we'll be utilizing the customer to view all the data sets. It may be in reporting and query, how they can be utilizing, or the EIS tool, or the OLAP format, or else the data mining format. So these are all the structural views, or for that means the visualization of the knowledge purpose, they'll be using the application tools. And sixth is all about the managing platform, how the overall from starting, that is the that is external source of data to the customer viewing part, everything will be taken care, managed by the management platform. And the finally, the seventh one is all about the information delivery system. So here the information delivery system in the sense will be using the www through the internet, through the subscription, how the customers are taken care, and they will be utilizing with the help of the cloud. So this is the another part. So these are all the overall structure of the data warehouse components. So first is data extraction, cleanup and load, and second is all about the metadata, the data warehouse database, and third is all about the metadata, and fourth is all about the data mart, and fifth is the application tool, and sixth is the management platform, and seventh is the information delivery system. So these are all the process that should be taken care. So one by one we'll be going to see in the next sessions. Thank you all.